The question is related to the plane motion. Highlight all important information given. First, draw the free body diagram, for better understanding of the elements involved in the situation. Based on the information given, the front wheel is moving towards left, while rear wheel is moving to the right. The front wheel is rotating in anti-clockwise direction, while the rear wheel is in clockwise direction. Hence, we can understand that the slip happen is due to the rear wheel tend to change to same direction with the front wheel.
The contact at point A is slip, because of the friction between the wheel and the ground, caused by opposite rotation of both wheel.
Well, proceed with the calculation to obtain velocity at point A. We use the formula stated above. The angular velocity is same, and the length, or distance, between point A and B is 0.50 meter. Note that, there is no mass involved, so force on both x-axis and y-axis, and the moment are not calculated. We left the velocity a, v, a, as subject to calculate its value. And we obtain the va value. The question is related to the angular momentum. Highlight all important information given. Since there is two different distance, we classify it as old and new. The first distance is 0.75 meter. The mass of man is calculated by dividing the weight of men, 800 Newton, with gravitational force, 9.81 meter per second square. We need to calculate the inertia of man, followed by the inertia of dumbbell. Compute the value of inertia of man and inertia of dumbbell. Then, we calculate the new inertia by using new distance, which is 0.65 meter. Note that, we use the previous value of inertia of man, as it does not has any changes. Last step, is the conservation of angular momentum calculation. The value of old angular momentum, is equivalent with new angular momentum. In this question, there is no linear momentum, due to the fixed position of center point. We left the new angular velocity, omega nu, as subject to calculate its value. And we obtained the answer we needed.